Welcome to P4 Pixel. Please don't forget to hit the like button if you learn from this tutorial. I have drawn ellipse to make a beak of parrot. Then the shape was divided into 4 equal parts. Please draw a line by line segment tool. Then expand the line. Make a copy of line by pressing Alt. Align the shape and both lines horizontally and vertically. Select all, and, by Shape Builder tool, remove the lines by pressing Alt. Remove unwanted parts by pressing Alt. Now, we have 4 parts. We will fill 4 different colors. The first one should be red like parrot beak. Please draw an ellipse. Write parrot in bold letters. Make copy of shapes and text to make second version of logo. Delete the green part, and adjust the shape with text. By anchor point tool, move the path of red shape upward. Please move the right handle only by pressing Alt. Please make a red gradient as shown. Now move the shape aside and draw ellipse in accordance with the shape size. Select all shapes, and by Shape Builder tool, remove the parts as shown. Use Alt for subtraction, while press Shift for addition. Select all and group them together. Next, align the shape with text as shown. Give a green color to text. Please change the red color to black, which is pretty better. Group the shapes and our logo is ready. Next, I will make second version of logo. Please decrease the shape size. And group the shapes. And adjust the path of red and green shapes by anchor point tool. Again, group all shapes together. Decrease the size of shapes like the text size. Create outlines of text. Replace the O of parrot with shapes. Change the text color to green. For presentation, please download an image of parrot. Adjust the image size accordingly, and make a copy. Please reflect the image as shown. Decrease the opacity of images. Adjust the size of both logos. select all, and choose Multiply from blending mode. Your logos are ready. Thanks for watching.